How to create a Macy's account and join Star Rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Macy's first page. Here you'll find Create Account. Click on Create Account at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Create Account, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your first name, last name, and your email address. Then, create a strong password. Then add your birth month, birthday, and your phone number. Then scroll down, you'll find do you have a Macy's card? If yes, yes. If no, no. Then press on create account at the bottom and your account will be created. After your account is created, you will also directly join the Star Rewards as well. As you can see, this is how to create a Macy's account and join Star Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.